Hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily hacking news. Today we have around 8 news, which is very much important. I try to make it as simplified as I can. So let's get started with the first news, and I hope you have subscribed because we are bringing hacking news on daily basis. So let's start with the Microsoft and Israel news. So Microsoft has actually limited Israel access. Yes, that's true. There are very rare companies, those who actually think of I need to reduce something for the Israel because Israel is one of the most powerful as well tech lead country, right? So Microsoft actually stopped some of their cloud and AI tools in Israel. Basically, they have said that there is a report which actually means tech used to spy people on Gaza, right? It was said according to report, like Israel government, Ministry of Defense are using some of the Microsoft services to surveillance on Gaza. So that is what coming out, right? So let's proceed to the next news. So next news is basically coming from North Korea. So you know, as all the time, North Korean is having a lot of hackers. So hackers from North Korean are pretending to be a job recruiter, and they are tricking workers and stealing company secrets from all over the world. So this is what we going around. ESET actually reported that thing. But in case if you want to learn about web application pen testing, you can check out this URL because we are bringing a starting batch from 1st of October, and you learn a lot of things. Now, next news coming from Salesforce. So Salesforce actually hackers broke into Salesforce AI system. There is having a AI system in their CRM. So it was broke by the hacker, and customer contact and company detail has been stolen. Okay, so like it's very common right now. Data breach, cybersecurity, all those things. Now, next news is coming from one of the British department. Okay, that is called Harrods, whatever you can spell it out. Harrods, right? So Harrod stood at it is told as Harrod stood actually said in a statement that some customer details were stolen, and people should watch out for the scam calls and email if they are getting something, right. You can see a very beautiful, big, beautiful buildings, right. Now, next news is coming from LockBit, right, which one of the most famous hacking group as well as OnePlus. So there is a new hacking group called LockBit. It's not hacking group, it's a very old Lockbit. They have released their latest ransomware, right. And there's a OnePlus vulnerability in OnePlus phone. It's very huge, right. So if you're having a OnePlus phone, then update is on as soon as possible because malicious app, SMS, and all, right. Next news coming from Intel Port. Okay, so there is something romance scam is going around, right? So police arrested around 260 people in Africa for online romance scam, right? It is one of the most famous scam we have till date. And guys, they are tricking victims into sending money to the fake lovers. Like they said, "I love you," and they are doing some shady stuffs and getting some money, right? By using some filter because like African usually are black, so black beauty. Anyways, next news coming from China. So China actually having a malware which is called PlugX and Bookworm used to spy the attacks. There's a lot of spying attacks it was used, right? China used PlugX, Bookworm malware attack target Asian telecom Asian network. So actually, it let hackers secretly stay inside the computers. Now, next news coming from New Cold River. Right? So there is a new Cold River malware which is campaigning to steal data, and it targets certain group for spying as well. So that's what we have today, right? You can see the diagram, what's working and how it's working, right? So that's all for today. I hope you'll join this batch because we'll be waiting for you for teach you a lot of things, right? You can see the content here, vihgroup.com/tcs. So that's what we have today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.